Guys, you've been told that AI can't do it all, right? Well, Deepagent just proved them wrong. From building websites to planning trips, this AI does it all. And it's about to change the way you work. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Abacus AI. Link to this will be in the description of the video. Just a quick context on who they are, what they do, and I will show you the actuality on how the Deep Agent works, and you will be amazed, guys, I swear. So basically, guys, Deep Agent is a sophisticated and versatile AI agent that is developed as a part of the Chat LLM by Abacus AI. Now, it is designed, guys, to streamline both personal and professional workflows, and Deep Agent is capable of handling a broad spectrum of tasks with impressive efficiency, and you will see that in a bit. Now, from generating in-depth research reports and building websites to creating presentations and automating routine operations across all platforms, just like Gmail, you have Jira and Slack. It actually exemplifies the next evolution of AI task management. And one of its standout feature is its ability to produce deep research results by gathering and synthesizing data from across the World Wide Web. So additionally, Deep Agent can actually design interactive websites and dashboards and significantly simplifying the development process that the users without technical expertise cannot do. Now, its task automation capabilities allows seamless integration with tools such as Gmail, Jira, and Slack, which also enables users to automate email management, create tickets, or post updates without manual input. So you just basically have to put in commands and all that, and it will be the one to do those tasks for you. Now, accessibility is also a key focus. Now, with a $10 basic plan offering 3 free tasks per month and a pro tier price between $10 and $20 for up to 25 tasks, Deep Agent is actually positioned to be a powerful tool for both casual users and professionals as well. So let me go ahead and demonstrate that to you. All right. So if you are here and if you are logged in to your Abacus AI, you have Deep Agent down here at the bottom left of your screen. Okay. So if you click on that one, it will take you directly here. Now, this is where the magic happens. So let us just say, okay, I am planning for a trip to the United States. Let's say find the cheapest round trip, okay, round trip ticket online for Manila to Seattle. Departure is June 9, 2025. And going back to Manila on July 22, 2025. Okay, so let's do that. Just press enter and let it rip. Okay, so how many passengers will be traveling? Let's say 4 adults, any airlines. Oh, let's say Korean airline. Okay. For the baggage requirements, I will be bringing a golf bag. Okay. And a preference, no preferred flight times. And are you flexible with the dates? 1 to 2 days. Let's say not flexible, strictly the dates I specified. All right. So this is going to help it do that more. All right. Thinking, planning. What's the next? Guys, I strongly suggest go ahead and try this one out. Searching flight options and compiling data into a markdown file. So anyway, I'm going to be playing golf in the United States. It's already doing its thing. Look at that. Search results. Korean Air processing. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's doing everything for me. Okay. Eva Air golf bag policy. Oh, look at that. It's checking out other airlines for cheaper flights. Look at that. Good job. Eva Air, you have Delta Air, went back to Korea Air, Manila to Seattle, flight numbers times layovers. All right, you have Manila to Seattle flights, June 9, 2025, returns July 22, 2025. Korean Air, Eva Air, Delta prices, comparison. Flight options. I guess it's already here. Oh, yes. Golf bag is fees range 250 to 290. Wow. 100 to 200. If exceeding, it's not going to exceed 50 kilograms. Is it done? Look at that. Korean Air price range. Total for the adults, 2,700. So Manila to Incheon and then going to Seattle. This is another option. Okay, Manila to Taipei to Seattle from Eva Air. All right, 115 inches linear dimension with an oversized. Okay, so here are all the details that I got just by typing in all those information, and it took all the information that I need to know without me heading into a lot of different websites to check this thing out myself. You got to go ahead and check this thing. This is just for booking flights. It can do a lot more things, and you could test it out if you could go to Abacus, sign up for your account, and see for yourself the beauty and the power of this thing. If you're new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.